They're supposed to do something. And when they do that thing, the sale happens. So what I don't want you to do is go back to them saying they did it and start over before that. That sounds like this. Hey Lucas, I'm just calling, and by the way, skillful way of saying it, I'm gonna use my own clothes, calling to see if it makes sense for us to move forward on the deal. He already said he was gonna move forward. You sent him the email. All he has to do is respond to the email. That's where we're gonna focus. I wanted to make sure, and it's right up on the edge of passive aggressive, but it's not crossing it. I wanted to make sure you had the email. I wanted to make sure you had the link for Dave Gast. I wanted to make sure you had the secure link to upload your patient invoices. Okay? I wanted to make sure you had the contract to sign. We're gonna focus on the mechanics, not on the person. Because people love to focus on mechanics, and that gets them out of the fact that they were being a jerk and ghosted you. Okay? So we're not even talking about that. I wanted to make sure you had the email. It's as simple as just responding back. Once I have that back, we'll get everything, we'll do all the heavy lifting on our end, and we'll be in a position to get you from XYZ to ABC. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. So focus on the mechanics once they've said they were going to do it.